This video is about my addiction to sweets. I have a major sweet tooth, and giving up sweets for 4 weeks were a lot more difficult than I thought. Even when I was writing my letter, just thinking about having to give it up was giving me jitters, and I didn't think it would be as hard as it was. I didn't think I was in as much denial as I was, as how much I can control it. But I will go on these huge splurges where I have these huge bags of chocolate. And I knew that was a problem because I will break out in the face. I will feel sick in my body. My immune system will weaken. I would just get these sudden illnesses, like common colds. And it always happened when I had these huge splurges full of sweets, and I love soda, I love sweet teas, and all of that stuff is packed full of sugar, which can be discouraging. It was discouraging to me because I basically had to give up everything. I thought maybe I could give up, maybe just chocolate and still drink soda, but I realized I was wrong, and I gave up the soda, the chocolate, the cakes, and I wanted to be able to take more control of it, but it was definitely hard because I had so many obstacles. It was especially hard going into the store, and everywhere you look, there's candy. You go down the candy aisle, and it was hard not to pick up the Snickers. And they had all sorts of candy, especially for Easter. And you go to the front, and there's another row of candy there. So it's hard not to just pick up a Snickers or a Reese's, or go in the back and get a soda or a can of tea. Those were my hardest times. Socially, when I had my best friend's birthday party coming up, and of course you want to celebrate, and that obviously means a birthday cake, or we would go to a restaurant every year for her birthday, and we would get a birthday cake with her, and I would always get still an individual dessert from me. I couldn't do that this time, so as the week started off, I wasn't going too well. I was slowly weaning myself off of candy instead of going cold turkey. It was a lot harder than I thought to resist it, but I was able to do it. I was able to have only half a slice of cake instead of a whole cake and another dessert. Now, also, instead of having tea or soda with my meal, I only had water instead. As the weeks progressed, I didn't have any mood changes. I wasn't snappy, but I was very irritated with having to drink so much water instead of having my soda with pizza. I didn't want water with pizza. I wanted a soda or a tea. I was drinking more water, which was good. My body was feeling good. I wasn't feeling as sick, and my skin was clearing up, but it was just irritating not having, chicken wings and soda, or pizza with soda, or Arizona tea. And I would just get irritated at not being able to have a piece of chocolate after my meal as well. So I was craving dessert, and I was having very bad urges, and I would actually miss it. I would miss my soda and miss my chocolate. And it was very surprising to me that I could have that reaction to giving up, just a simple piece of candy. But as the weeks progressed, I got used to it, but I would still have certain urges, although I didn't relapse, which I was very proud of. My birthday was also coming, and it will be after the abstinence period, which I felt I didn't know how to react to that because I was very anxious with being able to end the period and be able to celebrate my birthday and go to the youth fair and have all types of cookies and cakes and desserts and elephant ears. I enjoyed the experience. It was harder than I expected, but I definitely learned to have better control. I definitely learned how addicting sugar was, and it was a good experience, and it was something that I needed.